Are you an agent of the good or a puppet of evil? Message from Mary Christ. Negligible destructive events within interpersonal relationships would easily degenerate by domino effect into situations of calamitous chaos if it were not for the action of agents of the good who, both inside and outside of dense matter, function in the social fabric as stakes or fence posts that sustain the harmony and stability that is essential for the survival and operation of groups of all sizes and natures. What kind of influence do you exert on the environments in which you navigate, in the occupations to which you dedicate yourself? Observe, with accurate zeal, in the contacts you make, the quality of the results promoted by your mere presence, your action or inaction, your speech or silence, and you will know the order of forces you serve. Whether the powers of the good and divinity, or the diabolical vectors of disaggregation. And from this initial verification, beloved child, alert yourself, police yourself, discipline yourself unavoidably and tirelessly, because there is no human creature completely governed by the light or entirely taken over by darkness. Work systematically, one day at a time, as the Christ verb Jesus taught, in such a way that you not only make continuous and significant investments in your percentage of attunement with the spiritual communities of benevolence, but also remove the manipulative tentacles of the phalanxes of the evil over your heart and conduct. In one way or another, there will be consequences. More positive or disastrous, the greater are, respectively, your commitment to or disregard for this primordial moral duty of every sentient being. Benjamin Teixeira de Aguiar, medium. Eugenia Aspasia, spirit. In the name of Mary Christ. To each day, its care is a paradigm to be applied in different measures of time, according to circumstance and need. To each day, each hour, each quarter of an hour, each minute, its care. In an instant of rage, someone can cause a disaster on the road, for example, or ruin their own existence by acting or standing still at an inopportune moment. On the other hand, it is in the sum of the achievements of the minutes that the edifices of the good are erected. Note by the spiritual co-author, Eugenia Aspasia,